Okay. So, I love you all. This is where I gotta be AO now.
Okay.
All right. This is where I gotta be AO, and definitely gonna say with love. So one of the things that I have challenges with in the finance space when I sit down with couples, especially couples as intelligently smart and God-fearing as you all, I hear spiritual. I don't sometimes hear practical. All right. So I heard ear to God, break generational curses. All right. Earlier you said budgeting, I smiled, but I didn't hear that in the vision. So I think for me, one of the things I really want to challenge you all to do as a couple is there is the faith component. I sense that, I know that you all are rooted in a spiritual foundation. And I'll just be honest with you, Deon, man, as a man to man, I think that's important for us because we are responsible for our homes, right? It's just me and a black dog at home, right? So I'm responsible for my home. The moment I get married and the moment I have a kid and we are all beneath the same house, well, yeah, I am the priest and the king of that home. My wife is the queen of that home. She's not a lesser vessel. She's just a different kind of vessel of the home, right? And so I think the vision does start with us. So God factor, I love it. I love it. But Christians are still broke.
Absolutely.
And I think sometimes we're still broke because we always lead with the God and God and God. But then we do not, and if my mom is watching this show, she is laughing. Because I say this to my mom all the time. I'm like, Mom, you can't pray your way out of debt.
That's right.
You can't, we can't shout and scream and sha-ba-ba, I don't know what I just said, right? That was not tongues. I ain't gonna play with God like that, but we can't do that. So one of the things I really want to challenge y'all to do, and I'm gonna send you all, because Ed, remind me to send them this book. I'm gonna send you all this journal. It's a couple's journal that I really want y'all to sit down before the baby comes. Okay. And inside of it is gonna ask you 10 questions from a practical standpoint. By this time next year, how much money do we want in our savings account? By this time next year, how much debt do we want to pay off? By this time next year, is she still working? Is she not working? By this time, in 3 years from now, how much money do we want in our savings account? So what I want you to do is write the vision, make it plain. We know that, right? And then what we're gonna do is work backwards from that. And that's how we're gonna get out of this $100,000 in debt very, very quickly. So that's the very first thing. Keep the spiritual and write the spiritual vision, because there is a section in there we're gonna ask you, what is God telling you about your family? And that's spiritual. That's good. You know, like I never want to blindside that, because I would say the same thing. If I just heard, oh, this, and this from a practical standpoint, and I didn't hear nothing about God, I'd be like, okay, but what is God telling you? Yeah. Like, you all have a baby coming. What is God telling you about your daughter? And it's a question that y'all should have. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, what is God telling us about our daughter? Like, who? Wow. And then when God is telling you that, and I can't give relationship advice, my thing is, okay, cool. Now, how do we help our daughter get there? What is God telling about our family? Our family is going to be generational. We're going to break generational curses. Okay, cool, great. How do we practically get there? Let's be honest. Most people are stressed and stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle because they were never taught how money actually works. That is exactly why I built this channel. Every week, my team and I are breaking down how to master your money, how to get out of debt, save, invest, and build wealth without borrowing a dime. No fluff, no hype, just real money talk that actually helps you win financially. You see, because money impacts every aspect of our lives, our peace, our relationships, and even our future. If you don't take control of it, it will control you. And if you're tired of just surviving and you're ready to build wealth God's way, you're in the right place. Over 900,000 people have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, with over millions of downloads on our Apple and Spotify podcasts. Now, when we hit 1 million on YouTube, we're giving away $30,000 to help you get out of debt and to start building legacy. So listen, don't just watch. Hit that subscribe, family. Join this community. Let's build real wealth. Let's build real financial freedom together. It's your boy. Hit that subscribe. Let's get back to the show. Prime example. Did your parents give you $100,000 when you graduated high school?
No.
Did your parents give you $100,000? No.
Mm-mm.
Do you believe that your parents loved you?
Yeah.
Do you believe your parents loved you?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. Cool. Great. If your parents would have died today, and I'll answer this question, could your parents leave you with $2-3 million?
No.
My mom and dad can't. The generation stops with us.
That's right.
Because when your daughter comes, your daughter should have $100,000 when she graduates high school. And when God brings y'all home to be with the Lord, and y'all leave your children, because y'all gonna have more children, I can see it. Y'all are gonna leave your kids with millions of dollars.
Yeah.
But it's not just gonna be millions. You're gonna leave them with spiritual wisdom and spiritual guidance, right? And so that'll be my very first thing, because what comes next, if your vision and your why doesn't make you cry, then the price of commitment to get out of this, right, it's gonna make you all cry. All right. So listen, I know you're all in the baby steps. Let's get over number one. I need you to put more than $1,000 inside your savings account. Okay. My philosophy at this season of our life is that we need to have at least 1 month of the net pay. And so I think net pay will be what you all are averaging right now, because once you have your baby here in the next few weeks, then you're off, right? And then are you well, I don't want to ask that question because I don't want to get you in trouble with the job. You know what I'm saying? But whenever God tells you to maneuver to the next season, right? I want to make sure that you all are in a position to where if anything was to happen, at least you, because you'll be the primary income earner, you have 30 days to figure something out. Right. If you just have $1,000 with a newborn, you're stressed. Now you're stressed because you have a newborn and we have a money problem. Yeah. And I don't want that at all, right? So I want y'all to pause the debt snowball. I want you to pay all your bills, the bare minimum on time. I need y'all to get at least if y'all are making $125, I need y'all within the next 2 months to have at least $10,000 sitting inside your savings. And you're gonna put that inside of a high yield savings. Building credit the traditional way is slow and confusing. And most credit cards want you to rack up debt just to boost your score. You see, I used to think that you had to choose between staying debt-free or having a good credit score. But, here's what I've discovered. There's actually a way to build credit without any credit checks, without going into debt, and without paying crazy interest fees. And it works faster than I thought possible. See, my friends at Kickoff, they are the truth. They are doing something different. They help you build credit the right way without the debt trap. I've seen people go from no credit to a 700 plus score using their system, and they did it completely debt free. Say one more time, completely debt free. Over 150,000 people have left 5-star reviews on the App Store. Users see an average of 34 points increase in their credit score. Some even see, watch this, up to 84 points within the first 12 months. These aren't just numbers. These are real people getting approved for homes and getting better interest rates. Here's the truth. Every month you wait is another month of paying higher interest rates on everything. A good credit score can save you a lot of money, thousands on a mortgage, hundreds on car insurance, and even help you skip the security deposits. Don't let bad credit cost you money. I want you to visit anthonyoneal.com/kickoff right now to get started for as little as $1 on your first month. I want you to build credit the debt-free way because your future self will thank you. Are you working? Okay. Does your job have a 401k?
Yeah.
All right, cool, great. Then this is what I want you to do. You're going to go back to the debt snowball. It's going to be totally different from the baby steps, all right? Okay. Then from there, you're going to do the 401k. If the 401k matches a 3%, I want you to put 3% in there, right? Because that's free money. Don't put 4%. Don't invest into anything else. Right. Just do, if the match is 3%, put 3% in there, and then just go ahead and attack the debt snowball. Now, how much you love that car, Deon? I gotta ask the question, bro. How much do you love the car, man?
We've talked about it. We've had conversations.
Do you have a car?
Yes.
Is it paid for?
Yes.
What kind of car is it?
A Hyundai Elantra.
Okay, that's a good car. How many miles on it?
Oof, like what, like 120, 150?
He said, nah, I'm playing about 150. Does the AC still work?
It does.
Does the heat work?
Yes.
Have y'all had any major issues here recently?
I think it's mostly maintenance.
Yeah.
Just regular maintenance.
Yeah.
Change, yeah.
Okay. I like your face. Your husband over here scratching his knees like, oh man. I'm just saying though, it's like, and then electric, is that a 4-door?
My car, yes.
Yes. Okay. So y'all got a newborn. Okay. All right. Cool. Great. How much you love that car, man?
I like it. I like it.
My philosophy,
Mm-hmm.
and again, you don't have to listen to me, but if I'm in your shoes at your age with a newborn coming, I need to get out of debt as much as possible, as quick as possible. I need financial freedom in my home because the cost of raising a child is going to be expensive.
Yeah.
Just looking at the quality and the caliber of the wife that you have, she's not going to settle for like the bare minimum for their child. She's going to want nice things. She's going to want the good milk, the good Pampers.
Yeah.
That ain't cheap. And so my thing is, if you owe $23,000 on the car, mom is coming home eventually, whenever God tells her to do that. Well, she ain't going to be driving that much. So are you working from home or you got to drive into the office?
I was working from home, but I do have to drive in now.
How far is it away from the house?
With that traffic, 45 to an hour.
Okay. 45 to an hour. Okay. I think it's good. Because here's why. Honda is a good car, right?
Yeah.
If you got $10,000 sitting inside your savings account, and let's just say something goes wrong with it, you can pull out $1,000, $2,000 to fix the car.
Yeah.
Right? I want you to sell the car, bro. No, I'm so serious because here's my thing. Here's my same thing, y'all. I sense the energy from your wife. She's like, I knew he was gonna say that.
So we talked about it.
But here's the thing: if you could just change and be uncomfortable for just give me 12 months.
Yeah.
Just 12 months. Because it's gonna be uncomfortable for both of y'all to only have one car. Because that means if you driving to work, that means she gotta stay at home with the baby for 8 hours. She probably can't get out and move like that for a season until you get home, right? But my thing is, how do we get you debt free as quick as possible? So this way, by 1.5, you can now open up a 529 for your kids. And now you're investing into their future, and you don't have to apologize to your kids down the road saying I couldn't invest into your future because we were drowning in debt. And so what I want to challenge you, man, is if you 23,000, man, sell the car.